2, 3.
Hi. Hi, YouTubers.
We're not starting yet. We're not starting yet.
Ow.
Okay, now we're starting. Oh, wait, no, we were starting.
The $5 to Lisa. Hurry.
Okay, hello, YouTuber. We're going to show you a carnival game we played.
Hi, my name is Elisa. This is Ethan. And welcome to a navy. It's this movie we saw like a long time ago. But don't worry, he keeps on forgetting. Ow. Come on, I get slapping.
Go!
And this game is called Carnival. Okay? And cut. Action. Just trying to find cut. Oh, that's a big game. How much is the game? For 25 it's 25, but if you have $5, it's 20. Here you go. Hey, there's a ball. And what would you like? How would you do that? That one?
I'll go catch me.
Don't.
Without the ball. Ball's right there.
There
Oh
now.
my god.
Sorry.
Hang on. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll 1, 2, 3.